There's growing alarm in the U.S. over the impact of vaccine hesitancy and vaccine refusal on the fight to beat the coronavirus. In 16 states, less than half the population has received at least one dose. Our coverage this week brought us to Arkansas, where hospitals were filling up with younger COVID patients. We also visited Louisiana and spoke to an unvaccinated patient who said he still would not get the shot. And today, we're in Nevada, which has the highest rate of positive COVID tests nationwide. Our Lilia Luciano saw a new effort to respond to the crisis. Lilia, good morning.
Good morning to you, Vlad. That plus the low vaccination rates pushed the governor to specifically request for assistance from the Biden administration. And as you said, we were there with one of these COVID surge response teams as they work with local groups to try to curb cases. At this pop-up clinic in Las Vegas, Barbara Collins-Givens is trying to get her first COVID vaccine. Givens and her husband both had COVID earlier this month, so while they have to wait a while to get vaccinated, she's telling everyone to get the shot now.
They're all gonna get it because I told them they need to get it.
That's exactly what officials want to happen.
It really has become a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
Health and Human Services Secretary Javier Becerra says community outreach is the key to curbing rising cases and deaths. Is it lack of access in certain communities to vaccinations or lack of confidence in the vaccines that you're working against?
Well, it's a little bit of both, but for our purposes, it doesn't make any difference. We want to support those who want to get out there and get those unvaccinated with the vaccine.
The clinic is run by local and state personnel working alongside the newly dispatched federal COVID surge response team.
They're going to concentrate on the lowest vaccination rate areas first and work their way up.
The groups identify specific community hotspots, then go into those areas to promote vaccinations.
We try to improve those rates so we can save lives.
Blocks away on the Vegas Strip, both unvaccinated and vaccinated workers are masking up again after county officials passed a mandate for all indoor employees. But the tens of millions of annual tourists can continue to be maskless. How is the public protected? I mean, we're indoors and there is so much traffic of unmasked people.
We're pumping in up to 100% outside fresh air at all times and doing an air cycle about every 5 to 6 minutes.
MGM Resorts Vice President of Health and Safety Strategy, John Flynn, gave us a rare look inside the Aria Hotel and Casino.
We know that the cleaner air that we could pump in here, it's going to greatly deter the spread for our employees and for our guests, too.
The hotel is even offering pop-up vaccination clinics and COVID testing to help protect their employees.
We want to try to get every single person vaccinated. The more people we can get vaccinated, the sooner we could put this pandemic behind us.
Tourists indoors or out, vaccinated or unvaccinated, don't need to wear masks. And Anthony, very few people are choosing to do so. To try and keep cases down, Las Vegas is offering perks, anywhere from a shot for a shot, free drinks, to concert tickets that are free for people who choose to get vaccinated here.
A shot for a shot, Lilia. I like that. Thank you very much. Our